What's up, everybody? So today's video, it's gonna be a shorter video. I don't have a whole ton to do. I got a baby shower coming up here this weekend, so I have just some very limited time to work on my car. So I'm gonna start by I started last night. I took off the fenders on the car and then got the door adjusted on the passenger side. And then today I'm gonna go ahead and get the inside of the front fenders, get those sprayed black, just so they are matching with the hood and the interior of the engine bay. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so we got this all sprayed down. It is early in the morning because it is super nice out. It's like 78 degrees right now. So got this first coat laid on really nice, really flat. Ah man, I got some runs. I have to take care of those. But yeah, that's what she's looking like. Alrighty, so I have the fenders all painted and put on, and they're actually looking pretty good. I'm really happy about the way that they turned out. Can't wait to get all that up there washed off and everything washed off. There's just so much stinking dust from sanding. It's not even funny. So next thing I want to do is I'm probably going to go ahead and put the inner fenders here on the car. So let me slap those on and I'll be right back. Alrighty, well, I finally got the fenders in, or the inner fenders, and that took forever and a day. They were kind of a pain to get lined up, but nonetheless, I got them all in. They look really good. I got the battery in. I got a new battery tray. That's all secured. The old battery tray was just rusted, not very good. Cheap, 10 bucks, 15 bucks, however much that costs. So I got that replaced, but this is what she's looking like. So on to our bodywork now. All right, everybody, so kind of dirty. I've been cleaning my garage like mad. Let me see. Anyway, the weather's really nice, so I think I'm gonna take my car for a rip around the block. So let's do that. Well, I just got back from my first drive, and man, that was exciting. That was just super exciting. Sorry the camera is shaky. I was trying to film, but I was also trying to listen to the engine. Fortunately, I don't have any gauges in here, so, and then the tablet that comes with the ECU and everything, it was dead, so I wasn't wanting to get on her too much. I did a little bit off camera, but I just squawked the tires a few times. But man, this thing it's got some good power, so pretty stoked about that. Well, I think that's the wrap for this video. I am really excited, super happy. The car it drives, no issues. There was a little bit of rubbing in the rear end, so I gotta check that out. I think the tire is rubbing somewhere on the fender. It's only whenever I hit like a bump or something, but yeah, I'll look into that. But otherwise, she runs awesome, so I couldn't be more happy. And thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.